We said it would move in probably in those pre-dawn hours, and the worst of it would be Sunday morning. And right now is the worst of it. So as you're waking up with us this morning, we say thank you. We've got a lot of snow here in Chambersburg. These rates now have picked up to 1 to 2 inches per hour, like we said. And this is what that looks like coming down with a snowy scene in Franklin County. Carlisle also snow-covered roads here in Cumberland County with the snow continuing to fall. Visibility very low in Hershey and a snow-covered Hershey Park Drive here. And looking out from the Milton Hershey School, it is just very low visibility. You've heard Valerie say it out in our live drive vehicle. You've heard Fritzy talk about the visibility. We can't even see the Capitol. What we can see from Wormleysburg is an icy Susquehanna River. And so where you see the darker purple colors here, basically right here in our southern tier counties, that is where the heaviest snow is falling right now. And that is going to continue to lift to the north. So the worst part of this snow, or the most accumulation, is going to occur between now and about noontime, 1 to 2 inches per hour. Now this afternoon, the snow is going to mix with some sleet. And for those wondering about the cold air at the surface, yes, it is 10 degrees. It is very cold. That's why the snow is very effective at accumulating. But the sleet is all about the upper levels. And a warm nose will push in up high in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and that's what could change this to sleet, especially for some in our southern tier. 8 to 14 inches of snow. We've been pretty consistent with that. Perhaps if you get some really fluffy accumulation in the northwest, you could get a little more. Or if that sleet comes in a little earlier in the south, you get a little less. But 8 to 14 seems like a good mid-range for the entire area as this snow takes over.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.